mean, like I showed you guys everything. I showed you guys my upsell. We scaled this one store, one product to $34,000. Alright guys, episode 15. Thank you so much for making it this far. I've been putting so much soul and energy into this project, so hopefully you guys appreciate it. But yeah, hopefully you guys aren't getting too sick of my face, and I'm gonna continue giving you guys as much value as I can. That's the goal with this series. Before we get to the video, let's announce last video's winners for $1,000 worth of courses or consult calls with me. The winner's here. If you guys want to qualify, all you have to do is drop a comment below, follow me on Instagram, hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, hit the like button, and I'll be picking the best comment every single video. Other than that, let's get into the video. In this video, I'll be talking about how to increase your AOV by creating buy two get one free upsells. I'm going to be showing you the anchoring method, where I basically got everyone to buy 3 watches. Like, a lot of people bought 3 watches because of this. What I did was I searched up buy two get one free on Google. I saw the image by I think it was Pandora, and I used that as inspiration to model after. As you can see, I'm showing you my whole Photoshop process. I sort of have an idea of what I want to do, but not too clear of an idea. But I'll show you guys my whole photoshopping process. This is going to turn into a Photoshop lesson. As you can see, you know, being an entrepreneur is someone that can do many things. Like actually like all successful entrepreneurs, they're very diverse. Like, I don't know any entrepreneur that is not diverse. You want to be able to know the basics of most things before diversifying it and outsourcing it to someone else. You want to be able to master the skill. For example, I mastered editing, video editing before I got an editor. I mastered photo editing before I got a photo editor. I mastered customer service before I outsourced customer service. That's another key and important thing that you want to learn. As you can see, I sort of dragged out the box, made it diagonal, brought down the opacity to make it light, sort of modeling after this. I'm thinking, I want to probably do the same thing where I have the big 2 text. I'll write buy on top of the 2, get 1. So I use that as inspiration on how I could do my buy two get one free. Now I'm going to fast forward a bit because, you know, this is getting a bit boring, but if you guys want the full unedited, unfast forward raw version, check out the description below. I'm giving it away basically for free. It's like a small fee, and you get the raw recording, and I highly recommend those who are really serious about succeeding to get the raw recording. So I'm going to fast forward. As you can see, I sort of do 2 different colors. One is blue, one is sort of black, but I think I don't really like it black. Now I go ahead and open up a very clear image of my watch. Beautiful photo. I magic tool it, so I'm able to copy and paste it. And I go ahead and put 2 watches and then 1 watch on the bottom, and like, that's how I sort of create a very cool buy two get one free. And what I do is I make the get one free watch very big, so it stands up. People are like, damn, I want to get 1 free watch. And I'm going to fast forward a bit because you know, you don't need to learn the sort of small parts of editing, but if you guys do, raw recording in the description below. Using the font I have for my 360 guide logo, I'm going to put buy and free, and then I'm going to get large numbers 2 and 1. I'm going to bring the opacity of the 2 down, and I'm basically modeling after what Pandora did. Like, they have like graphic designers that they pay millions of dollars for. You know, they have graphic designer teams that did that image, and I'm able to do it on my laptop at home on my own. So you guys are getting that experience and lesson as well. I'm giving that away. But yeah, isn't that cool? Like, look how clean this is. Like, I couldn't have paid someone to make a better one. But yeah, that's the whole editing process. Hopefully you guys appreciate me showing you guys the behind the scenes of every single little minute detail that would have been usually saved for a course or not shown at all. Like, this is the stuff I wish people would have shown me when I got into entrepreneurship. Like, I want to know the minute details. I want to know how Bill Gates reads his books. I want to know his morning routine. I want to know what Gary Vee does on the weekend. I want to know what Gary Vee does before he sleeps. Like, those are the things that people still don't know. And that's exactly why I'm just giving you guys so many diverse amount of content and just sort of showing you real shit, not being fake like all the other gurus on YouTube. So I think about like, should I put a 360 glide logo on top as an overlay? Just because I put in a lot of time and effort to make this, I'm worried if someone just copies and pastes my sort of buy two get one free photo. But in the end, I'm like if they do, they do. I'm just gonna outscale them. Having this logo on top makes it look a bit gimmicky. So I'm not gonna use it, and I'm gonna risk the chance of someone copying my product. But that can be countered. I just outscale them. And I already have too much of a hold on this watch that people can't really get into it. And since I sell both the black and silver version, I go ahead and create a silver version of it. And you'll get, we'll speed through it now. As you can see, I'm basically doing the same thing. I'm just putting the silver version on top. Now I've got the buy two get one free finish for the silver version. And what I'm gonna do next is, I think, a step further. I'm gonna do buy 4 get 3 free. Like, this is some next level shit. This is like a pricing strategy that I learned from one of my mentors, Vincent Ng from America, when I was sort of interning there. But it's a very strong pricing strategy. Like, I'm going to be showing you guys a secret pricing strategy that I learned, and it works. Like, people freaking buy 7 watches. Like, that's how strong my pricing strategy is, and you're going to learn that on today's video. But yeah, I'm just basically editing this now. I'm going to fast forward because, you know, you probably don't want to see these stuff. If you do, raw recordings in the link below, dirt cheap. I edited it to buy 4 get 3 free. Look at this amazing image. Then I do the black version. Now I go back to Shopify and I go ahead and create the variants. As you can see, I already created the options, but I didn't like the sort of variants. Like, I didn't like the one sort of watch and people could pick one, buy 2 get 1 free, buy 4 get 1 free. Like, they couldn't visually see what they were purchasing. Like, this is what I had it originally. So what I changed it up to do, what I pivoted with, was I'm going to create 3 different products, and the 3 different products is, one is just going to buy 1, the other one is going to be buy 2 get 1 free, and the last product is going to buy 4 get 3 free. So I'm going to split up all the variants to make it very, very simple for the customers to purchase. So I'm deleting all the variants that aren't related to the current option that I'm giving off. So this duplicate is the buy 2 get 1 free. So I'm going to add in the buy 2 get 1 free image, put in the black and silver. As you can see, I'm deleting the images. I'm putting the silver variant with the silver buy 2 get 1 free image, and I'm putting the black variant with the black buy 2 get 1 free image. And then I also duplicate it again, and this is going to be the buy 4 get 3 free. Now there will be a lot of fast forwarding. This will be confusing. If you want me to learn exactly how I went ahead and did this, check out the raw recordings below where you can sort of pause, play, and it's not edited. And you can sort of watch me do everything live. So as you can see, the buy 2 get 1 free, I priced that at $50, and then buy 4 get 1 free, I priced that at $100 or $99. So literally people can buy 1 watch at $25, 2 watches and get 1 free at $50. So like, they see this image of 3 watches for $50, they're like, damn, for double the price I could get 3 watches. And that's sort of the first price is like the anchor that forces people to buy 3 freaking watches. And then there's the ballers where it's at $99, you get 7. So like, you could get at $50, you could get buy 2 get 1 free, or at $99 you could get 7. So that's sort of the pricing strategy, and I sort of tier it and I anchor it. And now I'm sort of just multitasking. I'm trying to get the buy 2 get 1 free listing completed, as well as get the original listing finished, and now I'm editing the buy 4 get 3 free listing. This is going to buy 4 get 3 free. I'm going to rename it, put it in a silver and black variant. I'm going to fast forward it a bit now. I'm going to add in the related the corresponding images to each variant. I'm gonna edit the compare at price as well, so that if someone bought 7 watches, 7 times 25 would equate to 350. So the original price is at $50 for one watch, and I'm discounting it to 25. So $50 is the full price. So if you buy 2 get 1 free, the full price would be 150. And if you buy 7, 50 times 7 would be the full price would be 350. So if you buy 4 get 3 free, you get a massive discount of $350 down to $99. Now I'm going to edit the home page to add in these variants. As you can see, I changed the text to exclusive product launch deals, limited time only. Before, I think I had it at like $40 off discount, but that didn't look professional, so I removed that and I replaced it with that more official looking text. So as you can see, I'm always optimizing the website. Now I'm going to add in the first variant, which is the buy 2 get 1 free. And look how clean that looks. Like, how can people not want to go down and like buy 2 get 1 free? Like, that's clean, and everything's on the homepage. It's literally a one product store. And now I add in the next featured product, which is the buy 4 get 3 free. Now I'm just editing the compare at prices, and everything looks good to go. Look how clean that looks. And now I'm going to go ahead and delete all the other variants from the original listing. So as you can see, rather than having one sort of product with many different variants where they could go ahead and pick buy 2 get 1 free, I'm going to go ahead and create different products to basically tier them apart. I don't want it all in one listing and they have to pick behind the variants and all they see is text. Like, that's annoying. I'm going to tier it and break it up so that people can visually pick the deal they want. And I'm going to rename that to 50% off, I guess, since it's from $50 down to $25. As you can see, I also don't do what most people do, where they do $24.99, $24.97. I really position the brand as very professional, putting it at just $25 flat. And then I add in this header, buy 2 get 1 free, in big bolded text. That's the 50% off deal. That all the variants should be gone. And then now the title, buy 4 get 3 free. Damn, does that look clean? Look how clean our homepage is. And that's how I got people to buy 7 watches, which is insane. Like, this is next level strategies I'm giving to you guys. Like, everyone, because of this, like, a lot of people are going to be using this strategy. So hopefully you hit the notification bell, you're seeing this video ahead of everyone else, and you're able to go ahead and take this strategy to the next level. Can't believe I'm giving this away. This should be in a course, but Gary Vee said, give everything away. And that's exactly what I'm doing right now. And I'm gonna basically show you where I got the pricing model from. So if you search up B2 Nanoblade, this is Vincent Paulating's sort of product. He's one of my mentors from the States who I sort of interned with. He launched a nano knife that literally made $300,000 with 0 ad spend just on Kickstarter. Like, that's insane. You know, like with dropshipping, if you reach 300,000 in sales, you spend like $170,000 on ads. This was 0 freaking ads. So what I'm also doing is I'm going to the best Kickstarters and looking at the pricing model they have. And I'm just basically learning from someone who's like, they funded $20 freaking million. So like, I'm looking at all the top Kickstarters and seeing how they're pricing and tiering their products and deals. And I basically open all these tabs. I research a lot of market research. A lot of people don't know that you should model after success and always be learning. And here's the deal. You can see 3 nanoblades for $75, or you can get the early bird special and buy 4 nanoblades and get 3 free. So I can't really do that because it'll make it look very messy. But if you guys want to see where the pricing strategy originated from, go to B2 Nanoblade Kickstarter and see how Vincent priced his knives. Now I'm just finding a way to sort of organize the site to make it look more cleaner. So I'm moving things around. I want to look for more images. So I search up the watch. I find more cool images of the watch. And then with the stainless steel image, I changed that to a slideshow. Also, as you can see, I put in another image on how to tell the time. I find another image of this watch this time. Before I was using the wrong watch instructions. Found this very slick looking image. Google isn't letting me download it, so I'm gonna have to like screenshot it. Find this very nice looking image that I could add to the reviews. Then I go ahead and I use that image I just sort of downloaded and I put into the slideshow. So you know that stainless steel image I have, now people can swipe and get more images of the watch rotated in different angles. So yeah, how clean does this site look? Like, it's just getting better and better. And remember, I'm not making the website perfect before I launch the Facebook ads. I'm making it perfect as I go along. Like, I'm perfecting it over time. A lot of people go into the mistake of trying to perfect their website before anything even starts. And that's a big mistake that you don't want to get into. And then for the reviews, since I found that other clean photo of the watch on that wrist, I'm going to add it into the sort of list of review images. See, I'm optimizing, finding more and more images to add to the website. But yeah, that was today's episode. We go ahead and I show you guys the pricing model, the buy two, get one free anchor pricing model that can really up your AOV by an insane amount. Like, it could turn a break-even store into highly profitable. Definitely something that I wanted to save for myself, but I really want to out-provide the YouTube space with just a bunch of value, and that's why I'm giving it away. All I ask is for you to drop a like below, hit the subscribe button, share this playlist, and basically take action. I want people to take action, use this knowledge, and succeed. I want people to actually get results from my free YouTube knowledge. Hit me up when you do. I want to hear your success stories, and that's the goal with this free YouTube channel. Other than that, thank you so much for supporting this series so far, and I hope you guys have an amazing day. Peace. And that's sort of the message. So I'll go ahead and I copy this message I just made and I send it to every single supplier. So I basically let all the suppliers hash out and bid out the best price they could do, and the best supplier that can bring the best price will get my service.